What you gonna do when you say to a man he has lost control? He has lost his soul. What you gonna do with all those lonely nights lying by yourself? Be with someone else, as cruel enough as it sounds. Why do you keep him around? The world is on his shoulders. You see, I tried so hard to sleep at night without you being there. I should have never ever did you wrong. Now I'm feeling so low. The weight of the world is on my shoulders. He has lost his soul.